Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a chat conversation in Microsoft Teams. Whether you want to save important discussions, keep records, or share messages with your team, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to copy Teams chats effortlessly. Sign in to Microsoft Teams first, open your web browser, and head to the Microsoft Teams sign-in page. Enter your credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once signed in, you'll land on your Teams dashboard, which is your central hub for all chats, meetings, and collaborations. Locate the chat conversation. Next, look at the left-hand side of your Teams interface and click on the chat icon. This will display all your recent conversations. Scroll through your chat history, or if you're looking for something specific, use the search bar to find the exact conversation or message thread you want to copy. Select and copy the text. Once you've found the conversation, click and drag your cursor to highlight the portion of the text you want to copy. You can select a single message or the entire conversation, depending on your needs. For Windows users, press Ctrl+C to copy the selected text. For Mac users, press Command+C to copy it. And that's it. You now have the conversation saved to your clipboard and can paste it anywhere, whether it's a Word document, an email, or another chat. And there you have it, a super simple way to copy chat conversations in Microsoft Teams. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more time-saving tips, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.